Statistics is a fundamental discipline used in various fields to analyze and draw conclusions from data. Generally speaking, statistics has two meanings: as a scientific method, which involves the use of techniques for collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data, and as a collection of data obtained from specific studies. Furthermore, the importance of statistics lies in its ability to provide a deep understanding of complex phenomena based on real-world observations and data. Likewise, the statistical process is carried out through several key stages. First, the types of variables to be studied are identified, whether qualitative or quantitative. Then, the data are collected, which can be obtained through various sampling techniques, such as random or stratified sampling. Subsequently, the data are organized and presented appropriately to facilitate analysis. Descriptive statistics is responsible for summarizing and organizing this data in the form of graphs, tables, and measures of central tendency, such as the mean and median. On the other hand, inferential statistics allows us to make predictions or generalizations about a population based on a sample using tools such as probability distributions and confidence intervals. In short, statistics not only helps interpret large amounts of information, but also provides the foundation for informed decision-making in various disciplines.